mag-subscribe ka na!
Hello, 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 universe.
Wow, where do I start? I am kind of nervous to talk again to you guys. Sorry, by the way, if you guys are a little OC, but I have chapped nail polish. It's really cold here in Vegas. Anyway, I thought I was gonna do this live. Magkamustahan tayo. Kamusta na kayo? Because if you guys are gonna ask me, I am ecstatic. I'm happy. I'm enjoying my time with my family here in Vegas, with my uncle, my cousin, my nanay. I did extend another week actually before I was about to fly to the Philippines after Miss Universe. I went to LA with my team. We went around and then I went to Las Vegas. So probably by December, I will be home soon. I cannot wait to see everyone, celebrate with everyone, to talk to everyone, you know, be in events, be there for the Philippines to showcase what we really have. I know I'm gonna be very busy when I come home, so I'm taking most of my time here in Vegas. Sobrang saya kasi it's been a while since I saw my family, and I was so happy that the Miss Universe and Miss Universe in itself and Miss Universe Philippines allowed me to have this time with my family. Siguro pag uwi ko sa Philippines, I will still share with you guys kung ano yung mga mangyayari. What are the details, what the current updates are gonna be, where I'm gonna be. You guys have to come and join every time on my live. Sa broadcast channel ko, on my stories, I will be posting all of that, yung mga updates ko. But let's talk about the national costume. Wow. Okay, hindi pa ako nakakapagpalit ng damit. We just came outside. We had a family gathering with friends. Kumain kami. Tapos pag uwi ko, my phone is blowing up. I saw messages kasi tinatag na nila ako dun sa national costume. And I couldn't be more happy and thankful and grateful para sa lahat ng mga nag-vote para sa akin. Hindi lang to actually for me but it's for all of you who is watching right now. Salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa lahat ng mga Filipino kababayan dahil nag-vote kayo, nagtiwala kayo. You supported me when I was there in Mexico. It was really a challenge, when you're there competing and you see so much beautiful girls. Yung national costume nila, they were all beautiful. They had all different kinds of stories to tell in their costume. Pero in my costume, we had to change it a little bit. We went more of, how the Filipinos are that I can relate to. So we particularly chose faith, the Antipolo Church, the Galleon trade. It all just, all came together. Kaya nag-build up yun. And I can see naman na you guys saw that too. You guys saw it in the costume. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo kasi I couldn't be this far now without you. At hindi ito para sa akin. Again, it's all the Filipinos, para din sa inyo to. Lagi akong magiging proud sa pagiging Filipina, sa Philippines, and kung ano man yung kaya ko pang gawin just so that we can showcase how beautiful our tourism is, the Filipino people are, how hardworking they are, then I will do everything I can. Gusto ko din i-share sa inyo nung nandun pala ako sa pageant in Mexico. There was so much eyes on me. Not only because they know, oh, you're Miss Philippines, but they had eyes on me because they were telling me how beautiful the Philippines is. Yung iba doon nakapunta na ng Philippines, tapos sinabi nila na nagpunta na sila sa Cebu, nagpunta sila sa Boracay. They went to different islands and beaches in the Philippines, and they were telling me how beautiful it is in the Philippines, in our country. So for me to hear that, and for me to get that kind of recognition, napaproud ako, natutuwa ako. Kaya who knows, maybe we will be able to bring some girls from Miss Universe sa batch ko in the Philippines. I know one, feeling ko alam niya na kung sino yung isa na yon na pupunta sa Philippines. She's my ate, si Tati. I couldn't be more excited. We don't have specific details yet. She's still busy, for sure, in Peru. She's doing amazing. We're talking naman, and soon she will be. Siguro mga ibang girls then will be coming to the Philippines. We will plan it all out. But again, nakatuwa to hear that from girls na they love the Philippines, they love our culture. And every time I would say something about, the Spanish and the Philippines were colonized, or the Philippines was colonized, they would be amazed. Kasi yung national costume ko was different. And prior to the preliminaries, I was also telling them what my national costume was, what's the details, what it's going to be, what's the story. We were all sharing the details naman to one another. And I shared mine, and they were all amazed with the story. And I hope you guys could take your time to also read that. My post, yung story of how it was made, why we had to come up with that idea, so you guys could know more about it. And then I'm going to LA, and then Philippines na. So, yun pa lang naman yung update. I'm still spending my time here in the US with my family kasi sobrang tagal ko silang hindi nakasama. Not just my parents, but my family here in the States. Kasi yung parents ko parang isang taon ko ata silang kasama, pero parang it was hard for us to spend time because of, Miss Universe Philippines, and then Miss Universe happened. So now we're just taking it all in. We're enjoying here. Yun lang, sobrang lamig. I think I still have this warmer coat kasi malamig talaga. Ayun. Let's see. So yun lang. Again, I can't be more thankful. Let's see kung ano yung mga blessings and projects that will come when I'm back in the Philippines, and what Miss Universe will have to do. You guys have to watch out for some updates that I will be posting on my stories, on my broadcast channel, kasi doon ako mag-update with you guys. When I'm home, I think magkakaroon agad tayo ng mga interview. So I will be sharing more stories there, and mga fun facts, yung mga behind the scenes, sequels. Marami akong share. There might be some good, there might be some bad, but even if it's a memory, and it's something for us to grow, and it's a learning for everyone. Ako, marami akong natutunan. It made me more understand, how powerful women are. Grabe yung batch namin. I'm so proud of every girl there. Nakakatuwa makita na, we all come from different race in life, but the dream is just, iisa lang kami ng pangarap. And iisa lang yung goal and intentions namin. So, to have all of that girl come in that stage, it was so powerful. It was so magical. Being in that stage, mararamdaman mo parang it just glows. So, yan. Again, thank you so much for staying into this live. I won't be taking up too much of your time and my time because we're gonna go ahead and have dinner. Gusto ko lang ulit to do this live kasi magpapasalamat ako sa inyo for, making it happen, for winning the national costume. Grabe, I still can't believe it. So thank you guys. And if you guys have some time, go share and show some love to Sir Manny Halasan. He was the one who made that creation, that beautiful masterpiece happen. And the team, to Seven Barreto, to Attorney Ron, to the Miss Universe organization, and to the Miss Universe Philippines, lalo na yung social media team, to Mama J, to Sir Voltaire. Oh my gosh, I cannot name everyone, but to the whole team in the Philippines, maraming salamat sa inyo. You guys are literally like my backbone. I was in Mexico, pero sila yung nagtatrabaho for me. So, I couldn't make it without you. And yun, to the family of Sir Manny, to Father Nante. Father Nante is a priest in Antipolo. He came by to Sir Manny, and you know, he saw that he was also one of those head who saw the masterpiece, who saw that dress, and gave his details, what story that we need to put in that dress. Na-bless niya yung dress na yon. So when I was walking in that stage, I knew I had God with me. So to Father Nante, maraming salamat. Siguro when I'm in the Philippines, I will go back to Antipolo and again. Kasi we finally have to give back that honor to that Lady of Virgin Mary. So maraming salamat again. And I don't know what time it is in the Philippines, pero I will see you guys. I will talk to you soon. Sana makapag-live ulit ako. Pag hindi na busy here sa Vegas, or when I'm in Arizona, I will try to do a live kasi para maipakita ko din sa inyo how it's like, what it's like in Arizona, and my family. Siguro introduce ko din sila sa inyo soon when I'm with them kasi they're still shy. I actually asked them if they want to come and say hi to my live video, but they're still shy, and we're gonna have dinner anyway. So next time I will show you guys my family here in the US. Pero magiging buo kasi kami lahat when we go to Arizona tomorrow. So hopefully makapag-live ulit ako. It's 10:30 na. 10:30 a.m. ba? 10:30 a.m. Well, good morning and good evening naman sa akin. I will see you guys soon. Maraming salamat. #Manalo. Panalo si Manalo. So I really like that hashtag. I saw that in one of the comments. I cannot believe you guys are into that whole #Manalo sa Mexico, and now we made it. So again, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys soon. Let's talk. And let's keep on praying for more blessings. Let's be kind and keep on smiling, everyone. I love you. Mwah.